How to find a way into the amazing multi-tool hobby. Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's start with our new video. I get a lot of questions on my social media accounts, what's the perfect multi-tool to start with. Let's start with the first of 5 tips to find a way into this amazing hobby. Point 1. Define your use case. When you are looking for a workhorse, for example for your bushcraft projects or for the work in the camp, you will choose another model compared to a model for the keychain, like this Victorinox Rambler here. When you know the use case, you should define the main tool of your multi-tool. This is for example the Victorinox Outrider, and it's called a knife-based multi-tool, because the main tool is a knife or maybe a saw. Next to the knife-based multi-tools you find for example the scissor-based multi-tools. This one is a great little EDC tool from SOG for the keychain. And when we talk about the stereotype of multi-tools, check out the plier-based multi-tools. This is for example the Leatherman rebar, and the main tool is the plier head. And you are right, there are other multi-tool concepts available, for example the pry bar tools with different functions. Point number 3, the best multi-tool is the multi-tool you have with you when you need it. So you should think about the carry option you want for your multi-tool. You find for example heavy-duty leather pouches like this vintage leather pouch from Leatherman. It's a leather pouch from the Leatherman PST2. You find other pouches for the belt with different compartments, so you can store your multi-tool and other equipment. You also find models with a pocket clip, like this vintage Leatherman side clip here. Or you find for example models for the keychain, like the models from the Victorinox 58mm series. Or maybe you want to include your multi-tool in your EDC organizer. I carry multi-tools for decades, and there are 3 favorite options when it comes to the multi-tool carry. I prefer the pocket clip versions, the versions for the keychain, and I prefer high quality pouches for the belt. When you want to start with the multi-tool hobby, you should define your budget. You find fairly expensive versions in a high quality, like this Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit here, and you find for example extremely budget-friendly items like this Gerber MP600. The Gerber MP600 is one of my workhorses, and I bought this item in a great condition on the second market for under 30 euros. Don't get me wrong, I really like the Victorinox Swiss tool and I like the Gerber too. And the price difference is huge, especially when you buy a new Victorinox Swiss Tool Spirit or a Gerber of the second market. But I have to mention that the differences when it comes to the quality, to the functionality and the fit and finish is huge. The Victorinox is 2 levels above the Gerber model. You shouldn't buy multi-tools in a low quality from no-name brands. Please start with a medium or high quality, so you have a lot of fun with this amazing multi-tool hobby. My last tip for multi-tool beginners is start with a multi-tool from the Victorinox 58mm series. You will get a high quality multi-tool with a great fit and finish and a great functionality for your keychain. You can carry it all day, it weighs nothing, and it's a great tool and a very useful tool. When you like the functionality of a multi-tool in this size, you maybe want to upgrade your multi-tool game with a Victorinox Swiss tool or a Leatherman rebar, and you can go step by step deeper into this amazing hobby. Please let me know in the comment section what was your first multi-tool and what was your step into this amazing hobby.